Quick pickled red onions, and I mean quick. This is easy and cool. This is a red onion here, and the red onion is chopped into half moons. And if you're interested in how to chop an onion, we've got a great video for that. Here's what you do. This is 2 cups of hot water, really hot. It was boiling, but not that hot, just less than boiling. I'm going to pour that over the onions. See how hot that is. And then I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. And then that's all. 1 minute, I'm going to let that sit for 1 minute. That's a minute. Now I drain the onions.
You seen my tackle box?
Yeah, it's behind the rakes in the garage.
Good.
Where are you going?
Joaquin and Ginger and I are going fishing.
Very nice. Okay, so here's the onion. It's drained. Now, this is a cup of cold water. That goes in there. This is a half a cup of rice vinegar. About 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is unrefined sugar. Some peppercorns. Next is a little salt and some crushed red pepper. That's about it. And you let me get a spoon here. You mix that together, and after you mix it up, you just want to make sure that the sugar and everything gets dissolved. You put it in the refrigerator for an hour. That's it. And when you're done with that, you can pour it into something like this, and it's good for many months, as long as you use a clean fork to take it out every time. I use it on black beans, anything, like a cheeseburger, on a sandwich. It's just really great. You know, you never took me fishing.
Hey, Steve, you want to come along?